To earn $1,000 a day, consider combining various hustles including delivering food orders through services like Uber Eats or DoorDash, investing in stocks or bonds through Stash with the understanding of associated risks, completing paid surveys on platforms like CashKick or Survey Junkie, and playing games that could pay you for winning such as Bingo Cash or Cash Giraffe. Keep in mind that to be successful in these hustles you might need time, effort, and sometimes an initial investment. Earning $1,000 means making $365,000 a year. While it may be challenging to earn this amount of money from a single source unless it's a high-paying job like being a doctor or CEO, it might be possible to make this much by combining hustles, creativity, and financial opportunities. By stacking your efforts, you could take the right money-generating and money-saving moves to accumulate wealth. The step-by-step formula for making $1,000 a day is simple. Number 1. Keep working that day job. An active income stream such as a full-time job provides a steady paycheck, but it might not provide $1,000 a day on its own. Number 2. Find a side hustle for extra income. Part-time side hustles can supplement your active income. The key is to find one that aligns with your skills and lifestyle. For instance, if you prefer online activities, consider starting an e-commerce store or building a blog. Identify additional ways to save or get rewards. Smart financial choices like limiting expenses and shopping smarter can help stretch your earnings further. Use the extra money to invest or generate passive income. Passive income such as returns and dividends from investments can grow your income without requiring additional work. This forms part of the stacking strategy, which involves layering multiple income sources and financial strategies. The delivery stack. This three-tiered side hustle stack offers a comprehensive approach to boosting your income and financial well-being. It begins with signing up for Uber Eats, a straightforward process that allows you to earn money as a delivery driver at your convenience. Next, add DoorDash to earn more and potentially receive tips from happy customers. Finally, turn your earnings into investments using Stash. This investment app allows you to invest your extra funds in stocks, bonds, and exchange traded funds with minimal barriers to entry. Number 1. Uber Eats. In the first part of the delivery stack, you can start your side hustle journey with Uber Eats. It's a straightforward process to get started and begin earning extra income. First, sign up for Uber Eats. Download Uber Eats to begin, then sign up for its delivery program. Once you've completed this step, you'll need to consent to a background screening and provide the necessary documents through the app. Activate your account. Once your delivery driver account is activated, you're ready to start receiving delivery requests. It's a simple and efficient way to begin earning money in the gig economy. Uber Eats can help you use your free time to earn extra money that you can save or put to work. More on that in the third part of this delivery stack. Number 2. DoorDash. The second part of the delivery stack is DoorDash. This popular food delivery service can help you earn extra income on your own schedule. Sign up for DoorDash. Sign up for DoorDash as a delivery driver to start. You can easily do this by downloading the DoorDash app and following the registration process. Once you complete the initial steps and receive your approval, you can start delivering food orders, receive delivery requests. As a DoorDash driver, you'll have the flexibility to accept or decline delivery requests based on your availability. You can choose the times that work best for you, making it a convenient way to earn extra money. By adding DoorDash to your delivery stack, you can diversify your income sources and make the most of your free time. Number 3. In the final part of the delivery stack, you can put your earnings from Uber Eats and DoorDash to work by investing them in stocks, bonds, or ETFs. Invest with Stash. Stash is one of the best investment apps. It can be a good fit for those looking to invest with ease. Stash helps you build your investment portfolio starting from as little as $1. Stash provides personalized portfolio guidance and allows you to invest in stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Low barriers and costs. Stash helps make investing accessible to everyone. With low barriers to entry and account plans starting at $3 per month, you can begin your investment journey without breaking the bank. Investment beginners should take a gradual approach. While Stash doesn't help you invest in real estate or art, it does enable you to invest in the stock market, which can have its own volatility and risk. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.